Welcome to NeoSystems Guide to Navigating Costpoint 7. Here's Kevin Brandt.
I was originally a user of Costpoint and time collection and other Deltek products. So I'll be talking to you a little bit from that perspective, from a user perspective, and also from the perspective of someone that's heard customer pain points day in and day out over the last 7 years in my consulting role. Real quickly here, starting out with the menu items. So first we have the global menu and the global toolbar. So up here in the global menu, the menu options are basically the same as you had in Costpoint 6. However, when you open them, there are some more functions in here, and Deltek has been very nice and as part of these functions, map them to those hotkeys. So if you're a hotkey person, like to use those hotkeys, now you can go through here and see what the hotkeys are for all these functions and use those on a day-to-day basis. So that's very nice. The icon. So all these icons in the global toolbar are now very Windows-like. So that's very nice, very visible and easy to use. So your save continue, refresh, process, execute, all these print functions. So again, very nice and easy to use. Down to your record level. So here's a sample record, a journal entry processing screen, or a journal entry entry screen. So now you have your record level toolbar, which is quite intuitive. You used to have to do these things up at the top of the screen in Costpoint 6. Now it's right on your record. Create a new record, copy your record, delete, scroll through your records, do table or form toggle. I can quickly do that. Table, form, and then query. So all these items right up the top of your screen, very easy to access and use. Next, the breadcrumb navigation. So up here you can see how you've kind of scrolled through the menu and got from accounting all the way down to manage journal entries. So a nice new feature that shows you where you started from and where you are in the navigation. Over here on the side, you have your screen configuration. Scan that really quickly. So within your screen configuration, you can do three things. First, you can modify that top-level toolbar and the icons that are visible there, kind of like you can in Windows. And so you can limit it to the icons you're using on a day-to-day basis. That's very nice. Also, from a data entry point of view, here's where you actually save your current application layout. So when you drag and drop all those columns, you go ahead and just save it here, and then it's specific to you as the user. You can also very quickly and easily manage your My Menu here. So a nice new feature, that screen configuration. One icon over here is your select company, so all you multi-company types out there, a quick and easy way to toggle through companies. And finally, the log out here replaces that kind of ambiguous open and closed door that was in Costpoint 6. So this icon will make a lot more sense to all you web types out there. So that's very nice. So let's go ahead and toggle back to the menu. So here's the main menu. It looks very similar to what you saw in Costpoint 6. So something I like a lot. That it's quite intuitive to scroll through because it has the same look and feel as 6. So let's go through what all these things are. First of all, the domain over here. You see nice new big icons. Basically the same menu, but nice new big icon. Next, the module. So again, I see pretty much the same modules you saw in Costpoint 6. They've been reordered slightly to make a little more sense of how you might be using the modules within the domain. And then the application group and the application. So as you scroll through here, you get down to the actual application. These have also been reordered slightly. In Costpoint 6, they started with controls. Now you're getting down to controls at the bottom, and actually using the functions you use more often have been pushed to the top. So it's a bit more intuitive. So when you're using these things on a day-to-day basis, they're right at the top of the menu. So that's quite nice. A few other things here. Your My Menu, which I discussed. So as you click through that, you can actually set top-level items, so you can collapse and expand your My Menu and the applications that are within your My Menu. So that's very nice. And again, you set those up through your screen configuration area most easily. Then you have your open applications. So as I said, this replaces all those open windows at the bottom of your screen and shows you all the applications you have open at any given time. Within the screen, you can close any one of these or close them all. So a lot of nice functionality within this open applications menu. Finally, the application search. So I'm just going to quickly type in, and you see I'm in that little search box there. Quickly type in accounts payable, if I can type correctly. You see quickly needs it and go to manage AP vouchers, and voila, I'm there. So some very nice new features, and I'm really excited about Costpoint 7 and the ease of use, and I think you will be too.
Thank you, Kevin. We hope you all enjoyed this video from NeoSystems, your guide to navigating Costpoint 7.